welcome back to our SST classroom. Now students, in last class we have started the chapter, right? That is lesson number 7, frigid zone. And in that what we have discussed students? We have discussed location and climate. Now students, in today's video we are going to discuss about the plant life, animal life and human life in frigid zone. There are no trees or shrubs and only 2 species of flowering plant are found in Antarctic region, in Antarctic continent. That is Antarctic hairgrass and Antarctic pearlwort, which are found in South Orkney Island and South Shetland Island. Okay, so we discussed that there is no life in the last class, that there is no life are found in Antarctic continent. So here you can see only few plant, that is only the 2 flowering plant, that is Antarctic hairgrass and the Antarctic pearlwort, which are found in the South Orkney Island and the South Shetland Island and along the western Antarctic peninsula. Okay, students, there are no forests in the frigid zone. Blueberries, cranberries and wild currants are grown in some places during summer year. Okay, so this we have discussed about the plant life in the frigid zone. Right students? Now let us talk about the animal life. So students, a few birds like Arctic tern, you can see in the picture students, a few birds like the Arctic tern and the snowy owl are found in this region. Reindeer, caribou, hare, polar bear, musk ox, seal, whale, walrus and wolf-like dog called husky are found in North Frigid zone. Students, these dogs are used for hunting and pulling sledges. You can see the picture students. These dogs, these wolf-like dogs are called husky, are found in North Frigid zone, and these dogs are used for hunting and pulling sledges. Students, now let's see which animals are found in Antarctic continent. Students, penguin, fish, seal and krill are found in Antarctic continent. Students, Antarctic dragonfish and elephant seal are commonly found in Antarctic continent. Okay, I hope you all have understood about the animal life and plant life. Now let us talk about the human life. So students, life in the frigid zone is very difficult due to extreme climatic condition and lack of vegetation. Right students? Inuits means Eskimos, means Inuits means they are the people, okay, who are natives of Greenland, have adapted to the harsh climate. They are, you can see the picture, Inuit people, they are also called Eskimos. So how they look? They are short and stout people. Students, you can see the picture how these people they look. They are short and stout people. They have flat faces with small eyes. Their skin is copper yellow color. In the North Frigid zone, Eskimos build their houses with snow blocks. Right? Students, you can see the picture. In the North Frigid zone, Eskimos means people who build their houses with snow blocks. These houses are called igloos and these are airtight houses. As you all know students, the climate is very cold in the frigid zone. So what type of houses they build over there? They build igloos. These are airtight houses. They enter and exit through a tunnel. You can see picture students, they make the tunnel. So how they enter and exit through a tunnel. The floor of the house is covered with thick skin and furs of animal. People in frozen region depend on animals for everything. Students, you all know, however, Antarctica is not inhabited by any permanent resident. Okay, so here we talk about the human life in not frigid zone. I hope you all have understood human life. Now we'll see what type of food they eat. So students, Inuits are mainly hunters. Eskimos are mainly hunters. Earlier they used harpoons to hunt animals. Students, you can see the picture of harpoons. So what is harpoon? A harpoon is long spear with a rope attached to it. Okay, you can see the picture. What is harpoon? So the harpoon is a long spear with rope attached to it. Eskimos make a hole in the snow and wait near it. When a fish or some other animal comes toward the hole to breathe fresh air, they kill it with the harpoon. Okay, you can see the picture students. So what they do, they wait. Eskimos make a hole in the snow and wait near it. And they wait when the fish or some other animals come up to the hole to breathe fresh air, they kill it with the harpoon. Harpoons have now been replaced by rifles for hunting. Okay students, Inuits also use boats for hunting sea animals. Okay, so these boats are called kayaks. You can see the picture. They use this boat for hunting sea animals, and these boats are called kayak. Okay, they are made up of seal skin. Umek is a broad boat which is used for whale hunting. Okay, now umek, so you can see the picture students. This is a broad boat which is used for hunting whale. Students, they eat meat of seal and reindeer and use their skin for making boats, clothes and tents. Okay, now you can see, now we'll talk about their clothes. So what type of clothes they wear? So students, you can see in the picture, Inuits of all age groups use jackets with hoods lined with fur. Can see in the picture that they use jacket with hoods lined with fur. They also wear long boots, gloves, warm leggings and special jacket called parka. Students, you can see the picture, parka. Their clothes were called parka. So they wear the long boots, gloves, warm leggings and special jacket. You can see the jacket. This jacket is called parka. Okay. They make clothes from fur and skin of seal, reindeer and other polar animals. Okay. I hope students you all understood about the plant life, animal life and human life of frigid zone. Now in the next video we are going to talk about the case study of Greenland. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.